We'll guide you through how to install Java JDK on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Since JDK 24 is an older version, you won't find it directly in the main Oracle page. But don't worry, we will search it up manually. Just open any browser to your liking and in the search bar, just type Java JDK 24 download Oracle and you will see the first link for Java SE 24 archive downloads. Just click on it and from here scroll down and you will see the Java Kit 24.0.2. Just choose a download for your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows. So I'll just click on the Windows x64 installer and our download will be successfully started like so. And after the download finishes, just click on the exe file. And now your installation setup will pop up. Click on next to continue and you will see the installation location, which is usually inside the program folder. You don't need to change anything here, just leave it at default and click on next and the installation process will begin. And after the installation is finished, just click on close to finish the setup. Now let's make sure the Java is working properly. Go to the start menu and just type cmd and open the command prompt. In the command prompt, just type the following prompt. Just type Java space hyphen and type version and hit enter. If everything is installed correctly, you will see Java 24 details on the screen. If the command does not work, then you may need to set the path manually. To do that, just go to your file explorer and just go to your C drive and from here just go to program files and locate the Java folder. In my case, it's here and go to JDK 24 and open the bin folder. And after you are in the bin, just click on the address bar and copy the location path by pressing Ctrl C. And now in the Windows search bar, search for environment variable and just open it from the recommendation like so. And once the pop-up appears, just click on environment variable and select the path and click on edit. From here, just click on new and paste the path that we copied earlier by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK. After that, just open your command prompt once again. And in the command prompt, type the prompt again, which was Java space hyphen and version and hit enter. Now it should work correctly. And that's how you can install an older version like JDK 24 on Windows 11, even though it's not available on the main page. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.